Hello and welcome to the QUADNET footage export tutorial for Hikvision's NVR GUI 5. Let's begin by plugging a mouse and USB storage device into the NVR unit. We'll need to log in to the NVR with the username and password that was set for the device. Click the Enter button on the on-screen keyboard and click Login. If presented with the Set Unlock Pattern screen, click Skip. Right-click your mouse and select Enter Desktop. To find the footage we want to export, we'll select Playback. Next, we will select all the cameras that we want to capture footage from. In this case, Camera 4 and Camera 6. Next, we want to select the times we want to capture. We'll select the day on the calendar and adjust the timeline scale so that we can scrub through the timeline and find the event we're looking for. You can drag the cursor along the timeline to scrub through the footage. Once you know the time of the event, you can select the Clip button, marked here with a pair of scissors. Enter the start time and end time for the clips and click OK. Select the video export format, we recommend MP4, and select the saving path to the USB storage that we plugged in earlier. Selecting Export VS Player here will add Hikvision's video player for Windows to your save location along with your video files. Make sure Video Merge is selected and tick the camera channels before clicking OK. Your footage will then begin transferring from the NVR to the USB storage device. You can monitor this progress by clicking Download Task in the top right corner. When all the files have finished exporting, you can safely remove the USB storage device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. QUADNET, simplifying networks every day.